Hi.
We're here tonight to roast man.
Scrubbing the beanbag.
What are you doing? Oh.
Cut the camera.
Ben, are you gonna put your diaper on? Yeah. Where is it? Get your diaper on. Diaper.
In closing, you, David Hasselhoff, are an inspiration. Early in your career, when people said, David, you could never be a serious
Diaper.
actor, you said, yes, I can.
You must really be dirty down there, huh? Yeah, yeah.
You said, yes, I can. You can never be respected and
Trying to get under his butt.
You said, yes, I can. Well, David, simply put, you couldn't, you didn't, and you're a douche. So don't worry, David. You can always be a Baywatch bitch. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you look some diaper rash.